most successful golfers in history, winning the Masters tournament 4 times, the US Open 3 times, the PGA Championship 4 times, and the British Open 3 times. Next in line, we have the Tiger Woods race for Class 2 boys, and the participants are Preet Sojitra, Mohammad Aman Kapadia, Kathan Palanpuria, Sparsh Shankar, Mohammad Noor Noorani, and Janmay Parmar. All the best, boys! Karima! Run faster, boys!
Choose the sword.
Show your effort! Show your effort! Hit the ball! Oh no! That is a great shot!
And you join your mother.
Come on! Hit the ball! Once again!
Run, run, run!
Which one choose?
Great work, boys! The next round of Tiger Woods race for Class 2 girls, and the participants are Farhana Shahid, Tia Dave, Thia Sanjana, Swasti Singh, Selvi Vashi, and Ariba Momin. All the best, girls!
Vishwanathan Rishi Anand is an Indian chess grandmaster and a former world chess champion. Anand has won the World Chess Championship 5 times and was the undisputed world champion from 2007 to 2013. Anand was the World Blitz Chess Champion in 2000. Anand was the FID World Rapid Chess Champion in 2003 and is widely considered the strongest rapid player of his generation. He is one of the 2 world champions who won the Classical, Rapid and Blitz World Championships. Anand is the only world champion who won the World Championship playing in all different formats, match, tournament and knockouts. Anand became India's first Grandmaster in 1988. He was also the first recipient of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1991 to 92, India's highest sporting honor. In 2007, he was awarded India's second highest civilian award, the Padma Vibhushan, making him the first sports person to receive the award in Indian history. Presenting before you are DPSC chessmen with the category Vishwanathan Anand for Class 2 boys. And the participants are Krishna Gupta, Rudra Agarwal, Kashyap Patel, Bhavya Joshi, Vansh Kadamia, Vedant Soni and Samyak Jain. All the best, boys! Come on, boys! Assemble! Assemble! Assemble fast! The king, the queen, the knight, the bishop, the pawns, come on! Assemble it fast! Show your skills, come on, boys! Come on, boys! Next round of Vishwanathan Anand race, and the participants are Misha Patel, Aisha Potiawala, Kanika Singh, Sia Shah, Zarifa Nurani, Ahana Gajiwala and Harshita Verma. All the best, girls!
Hus.
That's it, come on, move to the finish line.
with the hurdles being shot put, discus, javelin and hurdle. The multiple icon race for class 2 boys, and the participants are Arya Dhanani, Mantanna, Garg Tawari, Aditya Khandelwal, Arav Tripathi, Om Sai Rajput and Daksh Patel. All the best, boys! Come on, boys, to the strength of your limbs. Come on, the first is being the short put.
Come on, 2 steps and shoot. So discuss, handle it with care. Come on.
And faster.
Water throw.
Oh, next being the hurdle. Come on.
Done. Yes, that's it. Wow, what a race.
And last but not the least, we have the multiple icon race for class 2 girls, and the participants are Pratishtha Narula, Sanvi Bhasin, Hridaya Nair, Jia Parmar and Chahana Jain. All the best, girls! Come on, be faster! Fast in the short put!
Water throw. To discuss, come on. Oh! Nice one. Come on, hold the javelin, throw it.
Come on, parents, cheer them up!
Next is the hurdle, come on. Wow, water cross, come on.
Come on, girls!
With this, we come to the end of the individual races. And now, it's time for the most thrilling event of the day, the team races of the various classes. For the team races, I hand over the proceedings to Mr. Naikar.
Thank you, Ajit. Coming to the most awaited event of the day for the classes of pre-nursery, nursery prep, class 1 and 2. We will be having the team event right now. We are going to start with pre-nursery class. There is a team event for pre-nursery. The name of this race is Abhinav Bindra Relay Race. In this race, the girls of pre-nursery and boys, they are going to compete against each other in a relay. As you can see, the name itself shows that Abhinav Bindra Race. So they are going to target the target board with the pistol in hand. As you can see, we have divided the children in two halves, where boys are there in one group and in one group girls are there. So it's a competition, it's a relay competition between boys and girls. As we can see, there are three boys, so one of the boys will do twice. Miss Prachi, please make it a point, one boy will do twice, so it will be even between these two teams. As you can see, are you ready for this race? I want to listen from you all. Are you ready for this race?
Yes.
Very good. By the time. The rules are very simple. Yeah, two guns are on the other side. They have to target and they have to go back and they have to give a clap to their partner, and the next partner will come again and the next partner will again take a target, and like this the relay will go on. The team which finishes first will be the winner. Okay. Shall we start this relay? Okay, ready everyone? On your mark, set, go! Quickly, come on! Come on, target the board, and go back and go back, quickly give the relay to your other partner. Very nice, come on parents, we need a little clapping for them. As you can see, their target, very nice, very good. It's a wonderful target. Quickly go back and give a clap to the other partner. Very nice. Come on target, very nice. That is also very good, beautiful. Oh, that is also the target taken by. How many members left? One last. The boys? Okay, last boy. She's on the last. Okay, it's even. It's very close. Oh, it's very close. As we can see, boys have taken a slight lead. The winner of this relay race is pre-nursery boys. Congratulations, pre-nursery A boys. So over here we have finished with our team event for pre-nursery. Now I will request Nursery A and Nursery B to come forward for Maricon relay race for Nursery A versus Nursery B. As you can see, they are wearing the boxing gloves in the hand, and as you can see, there are two teams, Nursery A versus Nursery B. Both the teams are equally divided, and they will be doing a relay race in form of merry-go-round race, where they will come to the target, they will hit the target twice, and then again they will go back, they will give the relay, they will give a clap to their partner, and the same thing will go on. Okay, so shall I? Nursery A, Nursery B, are you ready for this race? Come on, louder. Are you ready for this race? Okay, Nursery, I can hear sound from Nursery B. What about Nursery A? Nursery, are you ready for this race? Okay, and you will give a clap to your partner, then the second partner will go. Teachers, please see that they should not run before. Okay, on your mark, set, go! Come on, quicker, it's faster. As you can see, the boxers from both the classes, the first two times, 1, 2, go back. Come on, quicker. Nine children also finished. So it's an even contest. Slightly to the 3A. Slightly to the 3A. 7 left from the 3A. 7 more children to go. And 10 more children to go to the 3A. The 3A has taken a big lead and now they have taken a lead of 3 points. There is a complaint of the teachers. I will request both the teams to come forward and shake hands and show the sportsman spirit. I will request Nursery A and Nursery B to please come forward and shake hands with their partners. Now, congratulations Nursery A for this Baricom relay race win. Coming to the third relay, the relay for Prep A versus Prep B. The name of this relay is Michael Jordan relay race. With the name Michael Jordan, I think immediately think about the basketball. As you can see, we have two stations, separate station for both the classes with basketball net hanging, and the children will be having a basketball in the hand. They have to come and they have to basket the ball, they have to hold the ball, they have to go back and they have to give a clap to their partners, and the relay will go on. The team which finishes first will be the winner. Okay, Prep A versus Prep B. Can you tell me where is Prep A? Big side. Prep A over there. Prep B. Okay. Are you ready for this race? Louder! Little more louder. Okay. So, best of luck. Prep A, Prep B. I am going to give the start. Rules you already know that. Once you have to basket, you have to take the ball, pass it to your partner, and the relay will go on. The team which finishes first will be the winner. On your mark, set, go! Take her, come on! Start her! Basket the ball! Hold the ball in your back, very nice! Come on, go! Mr. I need a break in between. Come on, get up. Very nice. It's 2 apiece. Both the teams, they are evenly matched right now. Slowly, but they will go forward. You will see exactly the students coming for the winner. Going very good. Both the teams are doing really well. Come on, baby. Come on. Basket. Hold the ball. Run back. Good partners. Come on, quicker.
Yes.
Good ball, sir. I think there is a lead by David, and we can already see there is 4.67. 7 of the plate A. Children are already in the basket. And from 30. I just want to know how many children finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Mr. Rock, what is the number? How many children? How many children? Let them finish. Please finish it. Very nice. Winning is not important. Participation is important in winning. And coming to the end of this race, we need to congratulate Fred B for the win. The winner of Michael Jordan race is Fred B. Please clap for them. Please. Now I request again both the teams to come forward and shake hands among each other. Fred B children, please come forward and shake it. Now coming to next event, congratulations Fred B for this win. Coming to Class 1, the relay race between Class 1A versus 1B. The name of this relay race is Leander Pace Relay Race, where 1A will compete against 1B. I request 1A to come this side and 1B to come closer to Mr. Jalani. I'll tell you the rules once again. Rules are very simple. You are having a racket with you, a lawn tennis racket, and opposite to you, you are having a ball hanging. The rules are very simple. You will run, you will come near to this ball, you will hit the ball 2 times. Okay? 2 times you are going to do forehand. 1, 2, you will go back, you will hand over the racket to your other partner. Okay, this is the way we are going to do the relay. Are you ready for this relay? Come on, louder. Come on, little louder. How do you want to do? How do you want to do this relay? Very nice. So I'm going to give the start. On your mark, set,
सर मैं बनी कोई
One